guys, you're welcome to this video. Now in this video I'm going to teach you how you can write job winning proposals, as this will directly determine how well you succeed as a freelancer on Upwork. Now there are certain things to consider before writing a job proposal. The first thing you want to consider is understanding the job post. Now you just don't see jobs on Upwork and you start applying randomly because you just want to apply for jobs. No, you really have to understand a job post before you apply for this job post, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. The next thing you want to do is try as much as possible to understand your prospective clients. Now the reason why I'm calling them prospective is because they are not yet your clients. These are just clients that posted their needs, their jobs on Upwork, and you are going there to apply for a job. So try as much as possible to try and understand them before you go ahead to apply for such jobs. So that brings us to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.